Yes, how are you today? Again, this is my book. I have made it actually. Its name is 3 in 1. I will let you know why I named it this way. Here you can carry your book like this, okay? And here I put I love you. Yeah, because I love the person who will do the activities. And here is the name of the person. Here is Lena, my little baby. I will let her I made this book actually to let her learn how to count, how to know the shapes, and how to know the colors. So let's start. Here you will see his number 1, and here is number 1 but in Arabic, and you could use this one just to count it, okay? You could move it like this, and the color of this bonbon is brown, okay? And the shape is a star. You could remove it like this. So I could remove the shape after collect all the shapes in the book here, okay, and leave them out, and then I will ask her to return them back. So this is star, 1 star here. Here number 2 we have white color bonbon, here. Those are bonbons. You can count them by moving them like this, 1, 2, okay. And the heart is a shape, and this is number 2 in English and in Arabic. And here to learn the shapes, so she could put it and stick it again. Here is number 3. So we have the black colors, bonbon, okay. We could move them like this, and here is a circle. So you could stick it, okay, and put it again. I wrote black to let her learn the colors, black, and the shape of this is circle, and the number is number 3. So they are 3 in 1. For this reason I named the book by this way. Here is the green also, so you could move them easily, okay, like this. You can count 1 2 3 4 or 1 2 3 4, okay. So here it's an oval, and also she could remove it like this and put it again, stick it again. Here is the triangle, okay, and so she could move it like this, okay, and stick it again. She could stick it again. And then we will count again 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, okay. And here is a rectangle, my purple rectangle. I love the purple color actually. This is my favorite color. So here this is number 6, okay. So she could count them like this, and here is 7, the same, and here is also another triangle, okay. And here is 7 and Saba triangle, so we can move them as well. It's important to move, because moving and using many sense will help the child to learn more, much better. Yeah, it would be easier to learn. And here this is a diamond, so a blue diamond. 8 number is 8, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, okay. 8 in Arabic. And here is a yellow square, so I could spread all of those shapes out here and ask her to return them back according to the color, according to the shape as well, okay. So here it is 9 4 5 6 7 8 9. I decided to shift it a little bit to the right, and here it is in the middle. You could find it is a little bit in the left, just because when I will close the book, not to be easier to close the book, okay, not to save space. And here is the rhombus. This is my final shape, orange. This is the orange rhombus, and number 10. Okay, so you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and this is Ashra in Arabic. Now it's time to do the activities. Okay, so here we have 3 activities, actually, the activities of the book, because the book's name is 3 in 1. So here are the numbers. Okay, I also created this curtain just to count. Here, this is number 1. It is shorter than number 2. You will have 2 pills here, and here is number 3. Here is number 3, 1, 2, 3, and here is number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and here is number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here is 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and here also I put some numbers in Arabic and in English. Actually, I decided to put them all. Yeah, I made the Arabic in red and the English numbers in like a glittery silver. Okay, just to separate them from each others. Okay, so we could remove them all by this way. So here, for example, I could arrange them. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10. We could use the 10 as 1 and 0, but no, the 0 is a little bit bigger here. It might be inside here because I have lots of numbers still remain inside. Okay, so yeah, so this is just a symbol how to, because I will try to let my daughter learn how to count and learn the numbers in English and Arabic, and then, or either any language, you could do that with your specific language. Okay, so now it's her turn to return them back to and arrange them. So I can ask her, please give me which page contains number 3, for example. She will refer me all 3, so it is here. She will return back and match it with number 3. She will tell me, oh yeah, this is 3. So this is okay. This is a way to teach the child how to count. Okay, here also we could arrange the Arabic. I will arrange them, okay, later. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. I have the 0 here is like a dot, okay, but it is it's a bit inside. Oh, this is a 10. Okay, if I would like to write a 10, I would collect them like this. Okay, so, and here I couldn't find the 0. It's I will bring it later. Okay, so those are the numbers, how to count. So numbers, I could put them in this pocket. Okay, now we will have the colors. So here I decided to collect all the colors that I used during the activity. Okay, so I have orange, black, red, pink, green, purple, white. Why I didn't change the shape? Because it is really better to fix the other parameter if you want your child to learn something. So you have 3 parameters now. You have the numbers, you have the colors and shapes. So now I would like her to learn the colors, so I will fix the shape. So I decided to let them all be triangle. Okay, so now she will focus only on the color. So I will ask her where is the red? Could you match the red with the red in the book? So she will try to search for it and until she finds it. Like, she will tell me, this is here, mommy. Okay. Okay, so, and here, those are the colors of the bonbon. Okay, so in case that she might be confused, because here we have these cloths. felt paper, and here we have the red of the bonbon. Okay, I will do my PowerPoint presentation to explain how I made this book. Actually, it took a lot of time. It takes maybe 4 days, but 3 hours per day. But actually, it is very valuable. I love it so much, and I wish that everyone will gain benefits from this book. And here is the blue one, for example. Okay, you could match this blue with this blue. Okay, and so on. And this is a green one. So, and this is a green one. Okay, so here are the colors. Okay, so now we will return to the third parameter, which is the shapes. So the shapes, I return them back. Okay, here. I will just put this like this too. Just bend them together. And insert them in their specific space. Okay, and I will return the numbers later. Okay, so this is for you, Lina. And here are the shapes. So as I told you before, we should fix the other parameters. Okay, I will let you know how I made this part, how to write the names, how to make this. I have done lots of work actually in this book, but I enjoyed doing that. So here are the shapes. So as I told you before, we should fix the other parameters. So I should select certain color just to let the children focus on the shapes. Okay, so you will have here the heart, the oval. Okay, so the rhombus, square, rectangle, circle, heart, oval, triangle, and star. I will ask her, could you please refer me to the star page? So she will go there and mention it to me like this. Okay, could you please let me know where is the circle? She will search. Yeah, okay, so this is a circle. Could you please, and also I could remove those and ask her for color or shape. So this is another activity. I could remove those outside from here, for example. I will remove this one, okay, and this one, and so on. I could remove them all. Okay, so I will ask her later to just put them in their order or their space. Okay, so she should have to focus. And okay, so here the book actually have lots of activities. Here is the brown and here is the white. So those are the colors. Okay, this is another activity. So I could ask her to return them back. Here I will ask about the color and the shape. Okay, so now we have to return them back again. Okay, so this is the blue and here's the yellow. This is my creative idea actually. I have never seen that before, as a collection of all these parameters together. I decided to make this book to be very beneficial for the children who learns to count, to know the shapes. So I hope that it would be helpful for my daughters and for anyone who wants to do that. And I will attach my my video, the PowerPoint, within 3 or 4 days, because PowerPoint takes a little bit time to make. because I will insert every tiny thing, how to do this bonbon, how to cut this shape, how to write the names here, how to cut the pages. Okay, so lots of work, okay, but I described everything in details. So now it's time to close the book. Here, if you want to count, as I told you here, I could ask her, could you please count how many numbers here? So she will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so okay, that's we will return the shapes again in their place. Okay, here, and the numbers, I will turn them back again in their place. Okay, so here I return them back again. And okay, Lina, goodbye. So now it's time to close the book again. Okay, so this is my book 3-in-1, and I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, goodbye.